Can you believe it? This is the bus in the next 60 years. Its design absolutely subverts your existing perception. The body is a huge oval, like a big beetle, and what is more amazing is that it has 6 freely retractable long legs, each of which is also installed under independent wheels, which are stuck on a dedicated bus track, and the bus track covers a very small area. Only 30 centimeters need to flow out on each side is enough. If the road is blocked during the rush hour, then the bus can support the body with 6 long legs, easily avoid the underground vehicles, do not have to worry about traffic jams. Even if the dedicated bus track is occupied by other vehicles, do not worry, because the 6 long legs of the bus can coordinate with each other, and will automatically shrink up when passing through the place where there are obstacles, so as to easily pass, and when encountering the height limit overpass, do not have to be afraid, the bus can lower the body and pass slowly. When the bus needs to run long distances, the bus can be switched to a single row of wheels, which can greatly reduce the construction cost of the track. And how to ensure the balance of the body of the bus. In fact, the bus is equipped with a gyroscope system to ensure the stability of the bus body at any time. Don't look at such a bus as a bit bulky. Its speed can reach about 200 kilometers per hour, and can carry 600 people at a time. The car is also equipped with restaurants, bedrooms and cinemas and other function halls. Do you want to experience such a bus?